Every manufacturer wants to make better products, sell more of them, and generate greater value. Digital transformation has a role to play here. An Autodesk Digital Transformation Workshop will introduce your leadership to the 5 capabilities that are critical to successful digital transformation. We get a better understanding of the art of the possible, a strategy that aligns to your highest goals and objectives, and a rollout plan that your people can get behind.
I work for Ibstock plc. We're a manufacturing business supporting the construction industry. And what I'm looking forward to today is looking at some of the digital innovation which will help support our new product development process and design processes.
My view of digital transformation has changed to a degree because it's nice to hear that everyone is on the same journey as we are and that we're heading in the right direction.
The purpose of being here today is to learn from the other companies that are here, what they're doing, and validate our understanding of digitalisation. It means increased value. We create more revenue and more margin by offering digital services that create great value for our customers.
I think it's given me a much more insightful look at what digital transformation means and how it can affect us as a manufacturing company.
Digital transformation, I think it's some key point for our industry because it will help us a lot to reduce many of the issues during the production, so we could reinvest that time in further development.
Digital transformation is all about understanding how we can be better, more efficient and more creative with our employees and customer base.